The first step for a new neighbor joining our neighborhood is to determine the size lawn one has. This will consist of equipment needed and lawn care techniques. Most of the time homeowners know the size lot they have bought, but most of the time homeowners do not subtract for a house, barn, pool, or driveway and know what the actual yard consists of. In the past, to calculate the size of a lawn, one would start by drawing a rough sketch of their lawn, and need to buy a tape roll to measure the length and width of the lawn. Then, one would sit down and calculate the area. This is a good idea to do, but really all one really needs to know is a rough estimate. This method did not always work out perfectly, primarily because most lawns are not squares or rectangles. Lawns typically have bends and curves, which complicates calculating the area of these odd geometric shapes. An alternative method that saves time and money embraces technological innovations that utilizes satellite imagery to calculate the size of your lawn. So today, let's start off by looking at 3 apps that make calculating the size of one's lawn easy. These tools are designed to save you time, money, and help one gain an estimate of what many homeowners believe is their ideal standard lawn. Up first is a generic Planometer app. It does exactly what we discussed and that's it. Simply download, enter your address, and tap around your lawn. It calculates the area for you with little information given. Just select the area up top. The last step I recommend is to take a screenshot of this screen. This will give you a good reference for later on. Now, I like to take multiple measurements of different areas of the lawn as well. This proves to be exceptionally beneficial later on. For example, the front yard would be a screenshot. Then I typically would annotate on the first screenshot some notes as to the size of each zone, like so. The next app is very similar, the Scott's My Lawn app. It requires a little more time to set up, but in my opinion looks better. It seems to have a better graphical interface. It also provides suggestions throughout the year on when to apply certain products. I do not use this feature. One feature I like that has with this app is a nice graphical indicator that shows the 7-day rain forecast indicator. It's not perfect, but gives you an idea on how much water your lawn is getting if you do not irrigate. Also, if you are looking to fertilize and spend more money on your yard, this app may be a good fit for you. Enter your address and tap around your lawn. It calculates the area for you with little information given. The Scott's My Lawn app. The last app is the most recent app I have found and my weekly favorite. It's called the Lawn Journal. It has a built-in planometer and encompasses a digital journal feature that makes keeping track of mowing and fertilizing easier. It has a fertilizer calculator and supports both light and dark mode, which is cool and nice. It does take more time than the first app to set up and use, but is another free option I highly recommend. In the journal, it gives one the option to attach a picture with each entry. For my lawn picture, I use the annotated planometer screenshot. It makes this information quick and easy to get to later. There you have it, 3 apps that make finding the size of your lawn simple and easy. Well neighbors, now you know the first step in lawn care is to determine your lawn size. So thanks for watching, and if you would neighbor please comment in the comments below on your lawn size. I intend to use this data to produce more content that best serves the community. And thanks for joining in this week in the neighborhood. As you will probably conclude, there is no standard yard.